Hello and welcome, esteemed members, to this exclusive video on understanding the critical role of business process in the supply chain. I am delighted to have you here as we delve into the intricate world of supply chain management and its impact in businesses. I'm your host, Dr. Gomati, and today we are going to explore the ins and outs of key business process that drive the seamless flow of goods, information, and services across the supply chain. So, before we jump into the heart of the discussion, let's take a moment to outline that what we'll be covering in this video. I'll be explaining introduction to business process specifically in supply chain. I'll explain the scenario. I have a real-time scenario for this, and I'll be explaining the role of a functional consultant and the real-time scenario example. So let us understand how business process will be in supply chain. So, supply chain management is the backbone of any successful business. A business process in the context of supply chain refers to a series of interconnected and coordinated activities that are carried out within an organization to achieve a specific goals related to the flow of good information and services across the supply chain network. These processes involves multiple stakeholders, departments, and functions and are designed to ensure the efficient and effective movement of products from raw material suppliers to the end customers. So, business process in supply chain management help organization to streamline the operation, reduce the cost, improve customer satisfaction, and enhance overall performance. They provide a structured framework for managing various aspects of the supply chain, from procurement and production to distribution and customer service. So, these are the overview of the process in supply chain. Start from the demand forecasting, predicting future customer demand to optimize inventory levels and production schedules. Procurement and supplier management, sourcing and selecting suppliers, negotiating contracts, and managing supplier relationship to ensure timely and cost effective supplies. Inventory management, managing and controlling inventory levels to balance demand and supply, prevent stockouts or overstocking, and minimizing holding stocks. Production and planning scheduling, determining what to produce, when to produce, and how much to produce to meet customer demand while optimizing resource utilization. Order processing and fulfillment, receiving and processing customer orders, picking, packing, and shipping products accurately and on time. Transportation and distribution, planning and executing the movement of goods from production facilities to the distribution centers and ultimately to the customers, optimizing transportation routes and methods. Returns and reverse logistics, managing the return of products from customers, assessing returned items for quality or refurbishment, and reintegrating them into inventory or disposal. And finally, performance analytics and reporting, monitoring and measuring key performance indicators to assess the effectiveness of supply chain processes and identifying areas for improvement. Today, we'll be diving into a real time scenario to better understand how these business processes function within a supply chain. Imagine you are working with a distribution company that sells electronic gadgets and accessories. This company receives sales inquiries through various channels such as their e commerce website, phone calls, and emails. Your objective as a functional consultant is to streamline the sales order processing to ensure smooth order fulfillment and exceptional customer service. In this scenario, your task is to optimize the supply chain operations to ensure efficient order processing, accurate inventory management, timely production, and delivery of electronic gadgets and accessories to retailers and end customers. So we'll be discussing all these business process with a real-time scenario and the consultant's role, functional consultant's role here. Okay, so demand forecasting. So understand the scenario like an electronic retailer wants to forecast the demand for smartphones because since our example here is what understand that ABC company, so they sell the smartphones. Okay, So what is demand and forecasting? So the scenario is like demand for smartphones for the upcoming holiday season to ensure optimal stock level. Okay, and what is the functional consultant role here? The consultant configures the demand forecasting module in the ERP system, defines forecasting methods, collaborates with the sales team, and adjusts forecasts based on historical data and the market trend. Okay, so next comes the procurement and supplier management. So a manufacturing company needs to source a raw material for producing smartphones. Okay, so as a functional consultant, you have to set up the procurement model, define supplier criteria, establish communication channel, integrates with supplier system, and implement supplier evaluation metrics as well. Okay, and talking about the inventory management, a retail chain wants to minimize excess inventory of a smartphone devices while avoiding stockouts. So what you have to do is, what as a consultant you have to configure inventory controls, defines reorder points, safety stock levels, and collaborates with the warehouse team to optimize inventory turnover. And regarding production planning and scheduling, a customer, the scenario is what a customer or a consumer electronics manufacturer needs to plan the production of a smartphone based on the demand forecast. Okay, that is what we have what we have done in the very first level. So as a functional consultant, you have to set up the production planning module, defines production routes, BOMs, and capacity planning parameters, and collaborates with production teams to create schedules. Next comes the order processing and fulfillment. So the real time scenario is what an e-commerce company, that is a smartphone company, receives orders for a specific console through their website and must ensure accurate and timely delivery. So as a consultant, you have to configure the order processing module. Okay, so the order processing, design workflows for order verification. You have to go with the order verification, picking, packing, ensure smooth integration with the sales channel. Next comes transportation and distribution. A global smartphone distributor needs to optimize shipping routes and carriers for delivering a smartphone to the retailer across region. So in this case, as a functional consultant, you have to set up the transportation management module, defines delivery routes, selects carriers, and integrates GPS tracking system wherever possible. And if possible, you can also integrate barcode in it to properly find the route of the vehicle and everything. Next comes the returns and reverse logistic. A smartphone manufacturer manages products, returns, and refurbishment for faulty devices. Okay, so this is what reverse logistic, which means that refurbishment. So as a functional consultant, you have to configure processor for handling returns, assessing quality, managing refurbishment, and integrating return devices back into inventory and disposal. And finally comes performance and analytics reporting. So that is a smartphone company reviews its supply chain performance to identify areas of improvement in efficiency and cost reduction. So you have to find where you have to improve the efficiency and how you can reduce the cost, everything. So as a functional consultant, you have to generate supply chain performance report, analyzes KPIs related to order processing, inventory turnover, delivery accuracy, and collaborates with cross functional teams to implement process enhancements. In each of these scenarios, the functional consultant plays a crucial role in configuring, optimizing, and monitoring the respective supply chain process within the ERP system. Their expertise ensures efficient operation, cost saving, and customer satisfaction throughout the supply chain lifecycle. So, dear members, stay tuned as we are diving deeper into all the concepts. So, if you want to explore the business process in any other module, please leave your suggestion. Or if you want to discuss about anything else, I request you to please leave your comment. And thank you for all your support. Leave your valuable comments. Keep learning, keep growing, and keep excelling. And if you have any queries, if you need this particular uh, presentation, please mail me, please let me know. I'll definitely send it to you through your mail ID. And thank you for your support. Stay Stay tuned. Take care. Bye bye.